Reuniting Hearts, a sibling's journey after decades apart. Imagine the longing, decades of separation, countless memories lost, and an aching desire for reunion. Today, we follow the incredible journey of two siblings, torn apart by circumstance, yet bonded by love. This is their story of hope, resilience, and the unrelenting power of family. Beneath childhood laughter and shared dreams, an unforeseen event changed the course of their lives. As life pulled them in separate directions, they held on to one unshakable belief: one day they would find each other again. Their journey reminds us that love can transcend time and distance. With no way to communicate, years turned into decades. Each lived with unanswered questions. Does my sibling remember me? Do they still care? Though fate was unkind, their hearts refused to forget. In the quiet moments of reflection, hope became the thread that bound them across the years. Fueled by determination, one sibling begins the search. Old photographs, fragmented memories, and every traceable clue become their guiding light. With courage in their hearts, they battle setbacks and dead ends, discovering along the way that resilience can turn even the faintest hope into a beacon of possibility. Finally, the breakthrough, a lead that changes everything. From the first hesitant email to the trembling phone call, the moment of reconnection is a flood of emotions. Two strangers, yet two halves of the same soul, they rediscover their bond and begin to close the gap created by time. The day arrives. With trembling hands and tear-filled eyes, they stand face to face after decades apart. Words are hard to find, but their embrace says it all. Love, longing, forgiveness, and joy. It's a moment where time stands still, an unforgettable reminder of the power of human connection. As they share stories of lost years, a new chapter begins. Though much has changed, the essence of their bond remains intact. They learn, they laugh, and they heal together, proving that family is not dictated solely by time spent together, but by love that endures through every trial. Their journey teaches us an essential truth. Life is fleeting, and time waits for no one. Whether separated by miles, misunderstandings, or disagreements, it's never too late to rebuild connections with those who matter. Every small step toward reconciliation is a step toward healing and newfound joy. This story reminds us how precious relationships are. So often we take time for granted and let life's busyness take priority. But when love and determination lead the way, no distance is too far and no time too long to repair and rekindle relationships that bring us meaning. If there's someone in your life you've lost touch with, reach out. A text, a call, or even a letter can ignite the spark you've been waiting for. Be the bridge to reunite hearts. Share this video to inspire others, and let's create a world where love always finds its way home. If this story touched your heart, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Let's share kindness and hope, one story at a time.